This groundwater table has been set up to simulate underground reservoirs we call aquifers. To start off, let's add some rain and show how it works its way into the ground. In this case, you'll see the blue dye entering this porous ground and traveling in a river-like fashion down this aquifer. Eventually it will exit at an area we call an artesian spring or an artesian well. Some aquifers have very little movement, like this one. They are more like underground lakes, whereas this one is more like an underground river. Occasionally aquifers get contaminated. People do not cap their abandoned wells, and in this case right here, if there were pesticides in the yard, they could wash into the aquifer system, and the neighbor next door here would be drawing up whatever contaminants came through here. Rock layers that have fractures in them can allow the contamination to go into another aquifer, and in this case you can start to see the red dye moving into this next aquifer, and eventually it will make its way to this well system over here. Sometimes septic tanks leak and contaminate aquifers. In this case, these people could end up drawing up their own sewer water. Aquifers that are deep in the ground and protected by impermeable layers, such as this one, are in relatively good shape. If they get polluted, they can cleanse themselves out quite easily because they have a good flow to them. The bottom aquifer here, that is similar to the one on the top, if it gets polluted, it's very difficult to clean. There's very little flow to it, and in some cases these wells must be abandoned.